One word that I will describe ASEAN Youth Dialogue is friendship.
Splendid.
Excellent.
Dynamic.
I think this is fantastic.
Great.
You represent 1/3 of the total population in Southeast Asia. What you say, what you don't say, what you do, what you don't do matter. Each one of you matters. So that's why make your voice heard, make it loud. If we, the decision makers, don't listen to you, make us listen to you.
There are 4 big topics. One is digital transformation for ASEAN people. The second is digital platforms for entrepreneurship. The third is digital platforms for green economy. And the fourth one is digital transformation for climate action.
Enjoy your workshops. Make the best of the moments that you had today. Big round of applause for all the speakers. We have a lot of very interesting speakers in the room today. And that's all from my side. Look forward to catching up with you over the next few days. Thank you.
There's no formula and fixed paths to success or career, especially in the digital world where things change so fast.
Because we believe internet is the perfect platform to connect kindness.
Try to help fix schools and make sure that kids are really having a very healthy and safe environment for them to go to school and everything.
I think digital literacy is so important because when the internet and digital came about in the beginning, everyone believed everything on the internet. We had all those scam emails and a lot of people fell for it because it was so new and we didn't really understand digital literacy well back then.
We started the digital transformation from 2017. We don't predict that we are going to have COVID. By the time we launched the IoT platform, we call it EcoStructures, which is enables to have remote monitoring, remote maintenance, taking the informations to send it to the cloud, analyze. The intention is to have efficiency.
I'm a surfer, I'm a diver. All I wanted to do was clean up our nature. The biggest change that I faced here was trying to change the behavior of people and how they perceive their items. And digitizing things really helped me do that.
To digitalize a conventional homestay, for example, into digital platform is only 5 minutes. That's all. But to make sure that the service they have is the same level of hotels like Hyatt or Marriott through digital service is a different story. It requires years to train.
I would like to service my client, so I need to bigger storage, bigger, faster CPU. This should be changed. Cloud computing, you can stop to putting your effort in front. Yeah.
We encourage involvement of youth to come up with their out-of-the-box ideas and innovation solutions, etc., so that we can integrate into the national policy-making process.
Thought 20 years ago that the biggest hotel business will not own any hotels, Airbnb. Who would have thought The biggest taxi companies like Gojek and Grab, who don't own cars, would be the biggest. The business models have really flipped. And I think that is something we are seeing a lot more. Health, you talked about fintech, telemedicine, because it has allowed for different business models to be successful. And I think that's one thing for all of you who are here.
I would offer an explanation of 5 simple characteristics of an entrepreneur, which is openness, readiness, creativity, innovation. Most of all is integrity. So out of the 5, you don't have business. There's no business in the 5. So you can teach that like from kindergarten or from primary school. So it's the way you involve the youth into having the mindset of entrepreneurs.
We need to be able to be the best PR and marketing to, promote those educational programs and also to educate them how important it is to take care of our environment.
How do you feel so far in Jakarta? Are you happy? Yeah.
Good morning.
Actually, that's my first time to be a delegate for Indonesia in the Asian level. So I really love to be a delegate, and I've learned a lot of a lot of the people, specifically for youth, can give them contributions to ASEAN.
The event was quite great, and it's provide a lot of opportunity, especially for youth in the ASEAN states, and it's mostly focused on the digital technologies. So from the green economy to the site visit here, we create many infrastructures or digital centers which we focus on green economy, and we think that we can use that knowledge to develop or to improve in each of the country in the ASEAN member states.
Tell me one word about the ASEAN Youth Dialogue.
ambitious,
impressive,
This event is extremely amazing.
empowering. Yeah.
I didn't